Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can sign up into Facebook. It's pretty simple. You want to go to your browser and search for facebook.com. Now once you're in facebook.com, it's going to bring you to this page. Over here you want to click on create new account and it's going to bring you to this page. Over here you need to choose a first name for yourself and a last name for yourself, and then enter a mobile number or email address. Whichever number you have access to, enter that, or whichever email. So I'm going to enter a mobile number over here. After entering your mobile number or email, click on new password and create yourself a password for your account. To create a password, you want to choose your date of birth. After you choose your date of birth, you want to choose your gender. And after you choose your gender, click on sign up. Now account under this number and this password will be created. Once you click on sign up, it's going to take you to the next step. And on your next step, it's going to send you a verification code on your email. What you need to do is go on this mail and check the verification code. And after you enter the verification code, basically your Facebook account will be created. Alright, so let me show you over here. So if you don't receive a verification code on your email or SMS, just click on send email again, and it's going to send you a verification code again, and then you will receive it. Once you type the verification code and click on continue, your account will be created with this email and the username which you typed in the front of the Facebook and the password. So that's how we guys can sign up for Facebook. Hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.